Let us do a Python program to find the largest of two numbers. So first click on File, New. You can select a new file. After that you need to save the file. It's already done. Then start with a comment. Let me go for a multi-line comment. A Python program to find the largest of two numbers. So in order to find the largest of two numbers, what is step 1? The two numbers must be entered from the keyboard. So you can do like this. A is equal to, let the numbers be decimal numbers. So evaluate, input, enter the first number. Now the second number should be entered from the keyboard. So you can write b is equal to another variable, enter the second number. Now to find the largest of two numbers, you can make use of if else. So you can write if a greater than b, condition. Okay, so how to make use of the keyword if? The keyword if, that is followed by condition, and if should end with a colon. Now here indentation is very important. Statements corresponding to if should be properly indented. So here you can press a tab key, leave sufficient space, write. Here you can write print largest of two numbers equals a. Largest equals a. Maybe you understood why a is written outside double quotes, so that the value of this variable appears here. Now else, you can write print largest equal to b, and b should be written outside double quotes. And why do you need this comma? Because this one is a string, this is a decimal number, the arguments are separated using comma. Okay, so you can save the file, Control S, run the program F5. The first number 23, second number 10, largest equal to 23. Now again you can run the program F5, first number 10, second number 23, largest equal to 23. Now suppose if I enter the first number 10, second number 10, you get largest equal to 10. Actually the two numbers are equal, isn't it? So here instead of largest equal to 10, I want the message to appear as two numbers are equal. How can you modify the program? What is the meaning of this else? If this condition is wrong, control comes to else part. So a greater than b wrong means here two possibilities are there. B can be greater than a or b equal to a. Whenever multiple possibilities are there, we tackle the situation by asking a question. So you can ask the question whether b is greater than a. So how can you write that? Like this, L if. So L for else. What is the meaning of else? A greater than B, wrong. Control comes to else part, L. Okay, so in the else part, now two possibilities are there. B can be greater than A or B can be equal to A, isn't it? So we ask the question if. So now you can write the question if B greater than A. Then you can say largest is equal to B. Otherwise, so you can write the final else. So what is the meaning of this else? If this condition is wrong. Now here there remains only one possibility, A and B are equal. So you can type the message print two numbers are equal. Two numbers are equal. Okay, so please understand the meaning of this else. Here two possibilities were there. Actually in this else part, two possibilities are there. B can be greater than A or B equal to A. One possibility tackled here, which means now there remains only one possibility, A and B are equal. So I display the message A and B are equal. So you can run the program 10, 10. You can see two numbers are equal. Okay. So suppose the first number is 23, the second number is 23. What about the working of this one? 23 greater than 23, wrong. So control comes to else part. Now B is 23, A is 23. So 23 greater than 23, wrong. So control comes to else part. And here you display the answer. The two numbers are equal. So if you did not get the answer, if you did not do the program, please do the program in the computer and send me this Python file, okay, .py file.